Hey, so I want to take a moment and talk about the equipment that you want to use in order to throw this Berkley Jack. Because what you got to remember is it's a heavy bait. The size 6 is half an ounce, the size 8 is a full ounce. So heavy bait, so you're going to want to have the right rod and line set up in order to fish this bait as well as you can. So we'll talk about the rod first, and this is something that's a little bit longer in length, okay, a lot of backbone to it. Johnny Moore's Signature Series 7'2" medium fast action. And the first thing that you'll see with this rod is just how much backbone there is. Tons of backbone, and that's what you want when you're throwing a bait like this, because a lot of situations we're just covering shorelines and we're making long bomb casts. Now this bait activates very easily, and with having that heavier rod, you're able to make less movement in the rod to get the action that you want out of it. So very, very important to have a lot of backbone in that rod. When we talk about line, something similar to what I would throw glide baits with, honestly. 10-pound fire line for my main line. I have a couple foot leader here, fluorocarbon 100%, 15-pound. Nice stiff presentation right in front of this lipless bait. So that's something to think about.